Hi readers, today we're going to be doing some word work together and you will need a pencil and a paper. So if you don't have those items, please pause the video, go get those things and come right on back. All right, we're going to begin by reading, spelling, reading some high frequency words. These are words we just want to know how to read and spell quickly. After we read, spell, read the words, we're going to be looking for chunks. In fact, throughout our lesson today, we're going to be looking for chunks within the word. Things that you might notice that are interesting, and we'll just talk about those. All right. Let's read, spell, read our first word. Know. K-N-O-W. Know. This is a homophone. We have more than one word that says know. What does this word know mean? It means like you know something in your brain. Do you remember the other kind of no? It's like, no. You shake your head side to side. No, you can't do that. That's the other kind of no. It's just N-O. But if you see these four letters, K-N-O-W, it means you know something. Do you see any chunks that are interesting to you? Did you notice the K-N? The K-N makes the N sound. The K is silent. And then our O-W says O. Let's read, spell, read the next word. Read it. Didn't. D-I-D-N''T. What did you notice about this word? I bet you noticed that apostrophe. Why is the apostrophe there? Because this word is a contraction. It's two words put together. It's the two words did, not. But on the word not, they took away a letter. Which one? They took away the O and they put the apostrophe in its place. And then they put all the letters together. Didn't. All right. Read, spell, read. Paper. P-A-P-E-R. Paper. What do you notice about this word? You may have noticed the ER at the end. ER is called bossy R, or an R-controlled vowel. That means that R is controlling the vowel in front of it, the E. It's being a boss. And ER makes the sound only the sound of the R. That's why it's bossy. Read, spell, read. Under. U-N-D-E-R. Under. What did you notice about this word? Did you see the ER at the end again? There it is, bossy R, bossing that E around, or R-controlled vowel. R is controlling that vowel E, so it's forcing the sound to be All right, one more. Bath. B-A-T-H. Bath. What chunks do you see in this word? You may have noticed the TH. That's an H friend. It says an H friend or a digraph. Same thing. All right, good job reading and spelling words quickly. Okay, now for the next part of our word work, we're going to be spelling some words together, and then we're going to be noticing things about those words. We're going to be noticing the vowels. Do you remember what the vowels are? Say them with me. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. When is Y a vowel? When it's at the end of a word. Can you think of a word when Y is a vowel? Like the word my or by. Y will say I. What's the other vowel sound it can say? E, like in the word baby or funny. So in our words that we spell together, we'll be noticing the vowels and the sound that it makes. And then we're also going to be noticing the other letters that are not vowels. All the other letters are called consonants. And we're going to be noticing when more than one consonant is together, maybe two consonants or three consonants. We call those consonant clusters. You'll remember in school our chart that gives us some consonant clusters. These only have two letters together, but some of our words will have 3 consonants together. All right, so you spell the words right along with me. Write these letters down. Pick up your pencil. S-T-A-Y. All right, our first thing is we're going to notice any consonants that are together. Do you see any consonant clusters? S-T, circle it. S-T makes the sound st, st. Do you see any vowels? Yes, we see A-Y. We're going to underline them. A-Y makes the sound A. It's a vowel combination. That means 2 vowels together. So our word is st-a, stay. When you can start noticing these chunks, readers, it's going to help you be more efficient in your reading, help you read more quickly, and it will help you spell accurately. All right, let's pick up our pencil and do our next word. Write these letters down. M-U-C-H. First step, do you see 2 consonants together? Yes, the CH, circle it. Since this combination has an H in it, we call it a digraph or an H friend. CH says ch. Do you see any more 2 consonants together? Nope, that's a single consonant. We're not going to circle it. How about the vowel? U, underline it. In this word, you will say it's the short sound because we have consonant, vowel, and then the 2 consonants together, the digraph. So you will say and the word is much. That's right, much. Write these letters down. U, S, E. First step, do you see 2 consonants together, a consonant cluster? No, we only see 1, nothing to circle. Now underline your vowels. What do you notice about this vowel? Look, there's silent E, and its job is to tell the U to say its name. And the word is use, use. All right, spell these letters. Write these letters. S-T-I-C-K. Do you notice a consonant cluster? 2 consonants together? We see S-T at the beginning. And where else? The C-K at the end. That's right. S-T makes the sound st, and C-K makes the sound k. And underline your vowel. The I is going to say I. It's the short sound because we have consonants, vowel, consonants. And that makes the I make it short sound. And the word is stick, stick. Good. All right. One more word. Write these letters. S-C-R-U-B. What are we going to circle? What are the consonants? S-C-R. 3 this time. Do we circle the B? No, it's not a cluster. It's just a single. And we underline the U. What sound will you make in this word? The short sound because we have consonants, vowel, consonant. Oh, we forgot to say the sound for SCR. SCR says skr, skr. So the word is scrub, scrub. All right, good job, my friends. Now we're going to write some additional words. These are going to be 2-syllable words. Now in lesson 1, we were noticing when the 2-syllable word had a double consonant in the middle. And we were circling the double consonant and splitting it there or dividing it there with a long line. Some of our words today will have that double consonant in the middle, just like lesson 1. Now in lesson 2, our 2-syllable words had a suffix at the end. It had ing. That was a chunk that we were circling. And then we were splitting just before that ing, and we were noticing the 2 syllables in the word, the 2 parts. So today's words, some of them will have the double consonant in the middle that we will circle, or they will have ing at the end of the word and we will circle. So you're going to have to notice what kind of word we have. So write these letters down. S, P, I, N, N, E-R. All right. Do you see a double consonant or an ing? We have double consonant in the middle. Circle it and divide. Make sure when you divide that the line is very long so it doesn't look like a letter. Now we notice two syllables, the first syllable and the second syllable. Let's underline the vowel in the first syllable, and the I will say I, and the vowel in the second syllable, oh, it's an R-controlled vowel. E-R, bossy R, the sound is Let's read our two chunks. Spin, ner, spinner. Good job. All right, write these letters down. C, R, Y, I, N, G. All right, what are we going to circle this time? The ing. And break the word into two parts with a nice big line. Underline the vowel in the first syllable. Notice the Y, it's at the end of this syllable. This is the root word, we call it, or the little word within the bigger word. And the Y in this word is going to say I. So our word is crying, crying. Good job. All right, write these letters. D, O, L, L, A, R. What do we circle? The double consonants in the middle and divide. Let's underline our vowels. The first syllable, the vowel is O, and it's going to say aw. Consonant, vowel, consonant, it's going to say aw. And in our second syllable, we have the vowel AR. AR is another combination. It says R. Let's read our parts. Doll, lar, dollar. Oh, that doesn't make sense. Dollar? Dollar. We have to change the sound just a little bit so it makes sense. Sometimes that happens when we chunk words or we sound words out. It doesn't quite make sense and we have to switch the sound a little bit. Dollar, dollar. There we go. Okay, write these letters. F, L, O, A, T, I, N, G. What do we circle? The ing and divide. Here's our root word before our suffix. In our root word, what's the vowel? OA. It's a vowel combination. OA says O. So our first syllable says float, floating. Good job. All right, we're not done. We're going to spell some words today. And as we spell, we're going to be noticing the vowel sound that we hear. And we're going to use our chart right here, just like we did in school. We're going to use our chart to identify the spelling that vowel sound makes. So if it's a short vowel, we're going to find it up here in these boxes. And if it's a long vowel sound, we'll find them in these boxes down here. And then these are just some of the common combinations that we have, those other common sounds. So let's say the word, break it into those chunks and write it. So the first word I'd like us to write today is spray. Say it, spray. Like when I wash the car, I have to spray water on it. Spray. At the beginning of spray, we hear some consonants together. Spur. Say it with me. Spur. Write the letters for that combination. Spur. A. Now when we say A, is that long or short? That's the long vowel sound. These are the spellings that we can choose. Which is the correct spelling in spray? A blank E, that's silent E. A-I, A-Y, or E-I-G? Which one would look right to you? Did you say A-Y? Let's try it. We see spur, A, spray. Does it look right? That's the correct spelling. Good. Let's spell another word. Prize. I ran really fast and I won a prize. Prize. Think about those chunks in the word. Per, right? That's that consonant cluster. Per. I. Is that vowel sound long or short? I. That's long I. It's right here on our chart. Now, which spelling is it going to be in the word prize? I blank E or silent E, IGH, IE, or blank Y, that means Y at the end of a word. Well, in the word prize, I hear a Z at the end, so it can't be Y, because the I sound is not at the end of the word. So it needs to be one of these. Which one do you think it is? Did you say I blank E or I silent E? Let's try it. I blank E. What letter would go in the blank? Prize. It's a Z. Does that look right to you? Prize. Prize. Yes, that's the correct spelling. All right, let's try another one. Stone. Like there was a stone on the path and I kicked it. Stone. Okay, what's that consonant cluster you hear at the beginning? St. Write it. St. Own. O. Is the O long or short? That's the long sound O. All right, here are the choices. Which one is going to look right in the word stone? O. O blank E, that's silent E. O-A, O-E, or O-W? Which one do you think will look right? Let's try O blank E. That's silent E. O blank E. What letter would go in the blank? Stone. There's an N. Does that look right to you? Own, stone. Yes, that one's correct. Okay, one more word to spell together. Snug. Like I was snug in my bed on a cold winter's night. Snug. Write the consonants you hear at the beginning. Sn. Sn. Is that vowel long or short? That's the short vowel sound. It can be spelled U or A. Which one will look right in the word snug? Let's try U and see what that looks like. Snug. Does that look right to you? Snug. Snug. Yes, that is correct. Good job, readers and writers. As you do your work this week, I want you to think about parts of words and looking for chunks, either the consonant cluster chunks throughout the word, or the suffixes like ing, or the R-controlled vowels like ER that are often at the end of words. Look for those. And when you're able to hear them and see them, it will help you be more accurate in your reading and in your spelling. Have a great week, readers.